Really not, Wes. I've got my book all planned out for tomorrow because it's going to be another one of those days where we deal with some scattered showers and maybe a couple of thunderstorms. Our biggest concern, though, over the next 24 hours will be some isolated flooding. We did have a flash flood watch earlier for parts of the area. Flash flood warning for Bell and Knox counties in Kentucky. That has since been allowed to expire. And right now we've got no active advisories or warnings, but we still have that flash flood watch that continues until 8 p.m. tomorrow night. Right now, though, over West Knoxville, everything is pretty quiet out there. We're still relatively warm, but we were a little cooler this afternoon. We only hit 81 at the Knoxville airport. 69 degrees right now in Gatlinburg, 71 in Tellico Plains, 69 in Cumberland County. Storm Tracker 6 is showing some active showers moving across the valley. Nothing all too heavy at the moment, just some regular rain at this point. But you can see a few downpours over La Follette, maybe a stray downpour here into West Knoxville. Otherwise, we're going to hold on to some scattered rain showers throughout the overnight hours tonight and into early tomorrow morning. Let's review some of our rainfall totals. These numbers are radar estimated and they're pulled from when this event started, so they may take into account some of the rain from yesterday and last night as well. Almost an inch of rain in downtown Knoxville, and then look at the plateau in Southern Valley. Crossville picking up over 3 inches of rainfall. We've also seen some heavier totals extend into portions of Morgan and Roane counties as well, and I do think we'll continue to add to these rainfall totals as we go into your rest of your night tonight and tomorrow. You can see what's happening here. We've got all this moisture down to our south, and we're kind of pulling it right up into East Tennessee. That's because of where that front is located, so still a very active pattern overnight tonight and into the start of the work week. That flood watch continues for all the counties shaded in green through 8 p.m. tomorrow night. The watch indicates that conditions are favorable to see some flooding, whereas warnings tell you that that flooding is imminent or already occurring. So when you're under the watch, you just want to make sure that you're paying attention to the forecast. The warning is when you really need to take action. They have shifted our flood risk a little bit. Earlier tonight, we were all under a level 2 risk. Now Knoxville and points west are under that level 1 out of 4 risk for flooding. And then we have a better opportunity to see some flooding further closer towards the Tri-Cities. Tomorrow's opportunity for flooding is also elevated, though. Most locations shaded in yellow. There could be some heavy downpours at times on Monday, and depending if your area has already seen a fair amount of rain, that could cause some localized flooding concerns, especially in locations that are low-lying or prone to flooding. By Tuesday, though, things do start to clear up a little bit. I think Tuesday's rain chance is more hit or miss, so we'll just see a level 1 out of 4 risk for flooding Tuesday, and of course we'll keep you updated if they make any adjustments to those risks. Overnight, though, with a lot of cloud cover, we'll stay warm. 68 in Gatlinburg, 69 in Tellico Plains, 66 tonight in Crossville. Your Labor Day forecast calls for the umbrella. We have a 60% rain chance tomorrow, especially during the morning and through the early afternoon hours. I think early tomorrow morning, we're most likely just seeing some general variety rain. Isolated thunderstorm possible during the afternoon, but it is on the cooler side. Highs max out in the upper 70s tomorrow. For this time of year, we're usually in the mid-80s, so well below average. As we hold on to all this cloud cover overnight, there's your opportunity for some showers. This model's updated a little bit. At 8 a.m., it has most of the rain further down to our south, and then watch as it pushes into portions of the valley, including Knoxville. Some heavy downpours will continue to be possible throughout the day tomorrow. There may be some breaks in the rain, especially during the second half of your Monday, but if you do have outdoor plans for your Labor Day, I would make sure you've got that umbrella handy. Tonight, though, we're down to 69 degrees, holding on to that 60% rain chance tomorrow. Stay alert for some flooding, and of course, never drive through flooded roadways. The 7-day forecast has us with a few hit or miss summertime storms each and every afternoon this week.
Victoria, thank you very much. Former